Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this retro text effect on your Canva by using the some apps on the Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this retro text effect on your Canva is just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just click on the apps on the side. Then here you just need to search as type lettering. So just type lettering here, and you can find just for search, and you can find the first option I just talking about. Just click on this and open it, and here you can find a lot of different type of templates here. So I just talking about the fourth template, which is a super vintage template. So just change the template whatever you just needed. So here I just going to change it as my name, and just added some tick here, and here you can just make the alignment, and also the spacing might be line spacing can be adjusted by this option. So if you want to merge it, you can just merge it. Then here you can change the color, and also the background shadow can be customized. So for an example, here I just going to customize it as black color. So you can see the background color has been changed, and click on the add design option now. So the design has been inserted. So you can just change the alignment to the center, and you can just also insert it. So it will be updated on the template. So this is how you just create this retro text effect on your Canva. Try to make some colors on the back so it will be look better, or just going to make it as a black color, which also give a vintage look on the text effect. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.